If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. I'm going to take us through how to solve the Venn diagram for 3 subsets. Let's just pay attention and everything will be clear. Okay. In a class of 40 students, what does that mean? That means the total number of students that are there are 40. What does that mean in the set? It means universal. When you talk of the number of the whole students that are available, that is universal. So you can use your denotion. We have 40. What is our universal? 25 speak Hausa. 25. So the number of people that speak Hausa, that is 25. Number of people that speak Hausa is 25. 16 speak Igbo. So the number of people that speak Igbo is 16. Let me use I for Igbo. That is 16. And 21 speak Yoruba. 21 speak Yoruba. The number of people that speak Yoruba, that is 21. That speak Yoruba. And each of the students speaks at least one of these languages. Now, if 8 speak Hausa and Igbo, you say if 8 speak Hausa and Igbo, what does that mean? That means intersection between Hausa and Igbo. If 8 speak Hausa intersection Igbo, that is 8. 11 speak Hausa and Yoruba. 11 speak Hausa and Yoruba. That means the number of people that speak Hausa and Yoruba, that is 11. 11 speak Hausa and Yoruba. And 6 speak Igbo, Yoruba. Number of people that speak Igbo and Yoruba, that is 6. 6. Now, like I said, draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. Using X to represent the number of students who speak all 3. After we've written all these ones out, so let's represent it on the Venn diagram. Now, in these questions, we are given the universal, and the universal is 40. We write it out here. Our universal is 40. Now we have Hausa, we have Igbo, and we have Yoruba. Now, what made me to draw them together like this? How do I know they intersect? They told me that they said, using X to represent all the number of students who speak all 3. That means they intersect. The 3 sets, they intersect. And they asked me to use X to represent the number of students who speak all 3. Now, for Hausa, we have 25. Like I told you, this can be our rough diagram. For Igbo, we have 16. For Yoruba, we have 21. And for the Hausa and Igbo, we have 8. Hausa and Igbo, we have, this is where they meet, 8. For Hausa and Yoruba, we have 11. We have 11. And for Igbo and Yoruba, we have 6. Okay? They say we should calculate the value of X. That's our B. Now, this can be our rough diagram. Why do I call it rough diagrams? I told you that if they, in the question, if they say Hausa only, they call this one Hausa only. So we don't need to do anything with it. If they call this one Igbo only, we don't need to do anything with it. They call this one Yoruba only, we don't need to do anything with it. If they call this 11 Hausa and Yoruba only, we don't need to do anything with it. If they call this 6 Igbo and Yoruba only, we don't need to do anything with it. But they don't call it only. That means we have to remove anything that enter with it. Now, look at this Hausa now. 8 enter Hausa, X enter, 11 enter. So we have to remove them by subtractions, by adding all of them and subtract it, before we can have a real number here. And this one now, that is Hausa and Igbo now, which is 8. They don't call it Hausa and Igbo only. So we have to remove anything that enter Hausa and Igbo, which is X. We have to remove it. And applicable to all of them like that. Are you getting it now? Now, let's draw our real diagram. Our universal still remains 40. So the X is here. Now, I would like, if I have to, like the first question will be, I have to subtract what is here from here to have Hausa and Igbo only. That means X is here, so that will be, here will be 8 minus X. I have to subtract, that means I have here 8 minus X. No, you have to remove, because X enter Hausa and Igbo. We have to remove X from that Hausa and Igbo for us to have Hausa and Igbo only. That's why we have 8 minus X. Now, if you look at this Hausa and Yoruba, which is 11, X also enter Hausa and Yoruba. So you have to remove X from it. So that would be 11 minus X. Now, if you look at this Igbo and Yoruba, X also enter the two diagrams. So I have to remove X from Igbo and Yoruba to have Igbo and Yoruba only. That would be 6 minus X. So this 8 minus X, it means Hausa and Igbo only. This Hausa and Yoruba, for Hausa and Yoruba only, 11 minus X. For Igbo and Yoruba only, 6 minus X. Now, for instance, let us say in that the same particular question, we still have, after this, we still have like Hausa and Igbo only. After they've given us this, what do you do? Just take this 8 minus X, equate it with that number to find your X. And it will come. Okay, let's continue. Now, for me to not get Hausa only, I told you, I have to subtract everything that enter Hausa from here. So to get Hausa only, that will be 25 minus open brackets. I will add all of this thing, I will remove it from here. 8 minus X plus X plus 11 minus X. All of these things enter Hausa. So I have to remove it before I can get Hausa only. That will be 25 minus open bracket. No, minus X cancel plus X. So 8 plus 11, that is 19. Because 11 is 19. 19, we have minus X here. Minus X. So that means 25. I will use this minus open bracket. Minus and plus here. Minus 19. Minus and minus plus X. Now 25 minus 19. That is 6. 6 plus X. So this is Hausa only. Hausa only is 6 plus X. Hausa only is 6 plus X. So I'll put 6 plus X here. Now, for me to get Igbo only, it's still the same pattern. Get Igbo only. For the Igbo only, that will be 16 minus open bracket. So everything that enter Igbo here, I have to remove it. 8 minus X plus X plus 6 minus X. So that will be 16 minus open. minus x cancel plus x. 8 plus 6 are 14 minus x. That is 16 minus x plus minus 14 minus plus x. So that is 16 minus 14, that is 2 plus x. So for Igbo only is 2 plus x. Now, for me to get Yoruba only, so I'll apply the same thing. Yoruba only. So for me to get Yoruba only, I have to subtract everything that enter Yoruba from the Yoruba given to me. That is 21 minus open bracket 11 minus x plus x plus 6 minus x. So all of these things enter Yoruba only. So I have to subtract it from it. That will be 21 minus open bracket minus x cancel plus x. You have 11 plus 6 is 17. 17, you have minus x. That will be 21 minus and plus minus 17 minus and minus plus x. Give us what? So that is 21 minus 17. 11 minus 7, that is 4. That is 4 plus x. That is Yoruba only. Yoruba only is 4 plus x. 4 plus x. 4 plus x. Now that you have done this, they ask us to find the value of x. They ask us to find the value of x. At times, listen and listen good. It's still the same pattern you follow. They will not give you anything here. Just represent it with the letter. But they will give you here. So if they don't give you anything here, represent it with the letter, and you follow the same principle, you will still arrive at the answer. Just follow this. The principles we follow, and always mind the statement of only. And when you don't put only, you will arrive at the answer. Okay, now that we have done this, they ask us to find the value of x. You know, the addition of everything will surely give us universal. So that means I'm going to rub that down. That will be 6 plus x plus 8 minus x plus 2 plus x plus 11 minus x plus x plus 6 minus x plus 4 plus x. Everything equals to the universal, which is 40. Now, if you look at this, plus x cancel minus x, plus x cancel minus x, and plus x cancel minus x. Now, what do we have? We have 6. 6 plus 8, we have 14. 14 plus 2, we have 16. 16 plus 11, that's 27. 27. 27 plus 6. 7 plus 6, that's 13. Pick one. 33. We have 33. 33 plus 4, we have 37. That is 37 plus x equals to 40. 7 plus x equals to 40. So you make the x the subject of formula. X equals to 40. When you bring this one to the other side, it becomes minus 37. That's x equals to 3. So the number of people that speak all the languages is 3. Now, in case they ask you that, find the number of people that speaks Hausa only, what do? You just say 6 plus x is the number of people that speak Hausa only, 6 plus x. Since you have known the value for x, you just say 6 plus 3, that is 9. They ask you to find the number of people that speak Igbo only, that is 2 plus X. You have known your 3, just say 2 plus that is 5. They ask you to find the number of people that speak Hausa only, that is 4 plus X. Hausa, that is 4 plus X. You just put your X, that is 4 plus 3, that is 7. That is 7. Okay? Thank you so much.